doing, Nathan? Hey, what does a horsey say? What does a sheep say? Nathan, what does a froggy say?
Ribbit.
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 Yeah. What does a lion say? What does a lion say, Nathan? You are too hard to follow, child. You move too fast. Okay, last one. What do you want to do for your finale? What does a piggy do? What about bunnies? What do bunnies do? What about roosters?
Doo-doo.
Doodle-doo! No, that's not for you. What about... Hey, what about doggies? What do doggies do? What is that? Nathan, what does an elephant do? Yeah, with the trunk. Good job. What about ducks? Quack. Yeah. Whoa. All right. Say that's the end of my show for the day, people. Say bye-bye.
Probably.
Bye-bye.